Hi guys, you're watching Menace and the Monk. So right now we are going to review the game of Liverpool versus Arsenal, first leg Carabao Cup semi-finals. The result was totally disappointing. No, I personally wasn't expecting a draw, that to a nil-nil draw. So let's go from the start. The lineups. Liverpool had a really strong lineup for this game. Yes, it was seen that Klopp was actually going for the cup semi-final in his full strength. Uh, all the first team players were starting the game, and we had few chances. We were going well actually in the start at the start, but after the red card, it seems like the game which should have been going our way went completely the other way around. Like not in the terms of attacking for the Arsenal side, but the getting the Arsenal side back together and just not letting us go near the Arsenal goal. The box was so crowded for the whole game that we were not able to get even a single chance, for the whole 60 plus minutes since the time Chaka was sent off. We were not having even a single shot on target till the last whistle was blown. The last chance which came, of course, to Takumi Minamino, it should have been a sure shot goal, but he just dipped it over the bar. I have seriously no clue how that was done. It was sheer bad luck for him, but it should have been a goal, yeah. It should have been a goal. It really should have been a goal. The Milner and Henderson combination is really not working for us. Hope I just hope that we don't use that combination because Fabinho, Milner, and Henderson. Fabinho holds the defensive line, the defensive midfield part, but there is lack of creativity from Henderson and Milner playing together. We need some kind of a player like Thiago, Naby Keita, of Chamberlain, or to an extent of Curtis Jones. The moment Curtis Jones came into the game, the moment Alex Oxlade-Chamberlain came into the game, it was seen that they are trying something different, but it was already too late. Now, speaking about the performances, for me, Joel Matip, he had a good game. Those kind of all of a sudden runs which he does with the ball, those are just amazing. For a moment, I was thinking that why isn't he playing in the midfield? That's the kind of a player, that's the kind of creativity we want in the midfield. But of course, he's the defender for us. I really don't know that how are we going to do in the second leg, because I personally feel it's an advantage to Arsenal. But let's hope for the best. Now coming to the other players, for me, Curtis Jones had a good game from the time he came as a substitute, and Robertson was having a good game, but no one was there to finish. Though we had Jota, though we had Firmino also, but we clearly missed Salah and Mane in this game. We clearly missed Salah and Mane in this game. And with regards to the red card, yes, it was a red card, clear red card for Shaka. We were not at all able to take any kind of advantage. This has been the second time I have seen after the Chelsea game when we drew against 10 men. Today also we were not able to score, and it was really frustrating. This shows the depth of the squad we have, that we don't have any kind of creative kind of players whom we can just take in week in and week out. Let's see, we have the next game on Sunday, and again we play Arsenal next week. So hope for the best and hope that something we can do, and we can progress to the finals of the Carabao Cup. That's all from my side tonight. Thank you so much. Please like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good night.